Hi, I'm Michelle, Chef Ambassador for Maple from Canada, UK. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blackberry and maple clafoutis. To start, grease a 23cm round dish with butter. Add the blackberries to the dish with the bay leaves and scatter with maple flakes. Pop the dish in the oven and roast for 10 minutes at 160 fan. To make the batter, whisk the eggs and maple sugar together. By adding maple sugar, I find it gives a caramel-like tone and adds an extra depth of flavour. Add the vanilla, cream, milk and zest of lemon. Whisk everything together, add the flour and whisk until smooth. After 10 minutes, remove the dish from the oven and take out the bay leaves. Pour the batter over the fruits and scatter with flaked almonds. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until golden and risen. Now the clafoutis is ready, drizzle with pure Canadian maple syrup and enjoy. For the recipe, head to maplefromcanada.co.uk.